for general well-being according to an individual's physical condition and needs. If you are new to yoga, please consult your doctor before committing yourself to its practice. योग सामान्य शारीरिक एवं मानसिक स्वास्थ्य के लिए एक अभ्यास है जो व्यक्ति की शारीरिक स्थिति और ज़रूरत के अनुसार किया एवं कराया जाता है। यदि आप योग के लिए नए हैं तो अभ्यास से पहले अपने डॉक्टर से परामर्श अवश्य लें।
Gently join your legs, join your feet, stretch your arms up above the head, interlock the fingers, give a good stretch to the spine, to the shoulders, and to the arms. Release, arms down, gently turning to one side, whichever you like. Come up to the comfortable sitting position for initial prayer. Check the posture, back comfortably stretched up, hands comfortably in Chin Mudra on your knees. 3 times Om, then initial prayer together. Om. ओम सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम बोलो सदगुरु स्वामी शिवानंद महाराज की जय, स्वामी विष्णुदेव महाराज की जय। ओम नमः शिवाय। Welcome you all in the beginners yoga class. Today Sumanji is our demonstrator. Let's begin our class with deep breathing. Long inhalation, लंबे गहरे सांस, and very slow exhalation. When we inhale, our abdomen expand forward, and when we exhale, it goes back to the spine. Deep breathing. You feel very comfortable. You release the tension, the stress, the anxieties. So to feel comfortable, you can do the deep breathing. So to feel the inhalation and the exhalation, place your hand on the abdomen. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale on 1, 2. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale on 1, 2. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale on 1, 2. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale on 1, 2. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Retain on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Retain on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Last set. Inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale completely on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Now relaxed and comfortable breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale deeply, exhale completely. Now you have to do according to your capacity, according to your physical condition. And if whenever you feel uncomfortable, release the asana, release the posture. Now keep on breathing comfortably and get ready for the stretching exercises. Stretch your legs forward. Relax breathing. Now stretch the toes down, forward. Keep on stretching forward. Feel the stretch to the feet. Stretch up to the ceiling. Stretch forward, down. Stretch upward, forward, up, forward, up, forward, up, forward, up, forward, up, forward, up. In the center. Now stretch the toes opposite the side. Stretch the toes together. Opposite, together, opposite, together, opposite, together. Now stay there. Now stretch the toes to the right side. Up. Stretch the toes to the left. Up, to the right. Up, to the left. Up, right, up, left, up. In the center. Now rotate the ankles first clockwise to the right. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. In the center. Now to the left, anti-clockwise. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4 in the center. Now comfortably shake your legs, shake the feet. Release the tension of the neck, of the thighs, of the hips. Comfortable breathing. Release. Now join the soles of the feet. Hold the toes, interlocking the fingers, keeping your back comfortably stretched up, comfortably straight, and flap the knees up and down like the wings of butterfly. Back comfortably straight and relaxed. Relaxed breathing. Gently release and come into comfortable sitting position. Now stretch the arms forward and bend the fingers down, up. Squeeze the fingers down, up, squeeze, up, squeeze, up, squeeze, up, squeeze, up. Now fingers down. Fingers stretched upward. Stretch your fingers down, upward, downward, upward, downward, upward, down. Now make fist. मुट्ठी बंद कर लीजिए. Rotate the wrist downward. Now upward. Right to the left. Now big rotation. Upward. Shake your hands, shake the arms. Comfortably without the jerk. Release. Now fingers on the shoulders. Forward. On the shoulders. Forward. On the shoulders. Forward. Now finger on the shoulders. Stretch the arms sideways. On the shoulders. Sideways. On the shoulders. Sideways. On the shoulders. Sideways. On the shoulders. Sideways. Now on the shoulders. Now stretch your arms up. Shoulders down. Up. Down on the shoulders. Stretch up. On the shoulders. Stretch up. On the shoulders. And release. Hands on the knees. Now rotate the shoulders. First forward. In the center. Now start from the backward. Release. Comfortable breathing. Now join the hands. Stretch your hands forward. Stretch them to the chest and stretch them sideways and back. Stretch back. Feel the stretch in the shoulders, in the spine. Join the hands forward to the chest and stretch them sideways and then back. Forward to the chest, stretch them sideways and back. Forward, join the hands, bring them to the chest and stretch them back. As much as you can, stretch your shoulders, hands, arms backward. Release. comfortable sitting position. Now look to the right shoulder. Look to the left shoulder, to the right shoulder, to the left shoulder, right shoulder, left shoulder in the center. Look back over the right shoulder. Keep on breathing comfortably. Stay there. Feel the stretch into the neck to the right side. Now gently to the left, over the left shoulder. Comfortable breathing. Stay there. In the center. Now rotation the neck. First clockwise. Forward, right, back, left. Forward, right, back, left. Forward, right, back, left. In the center. Now anti-clockwise. Start from the left. On 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. In the center, relax and comfortable breathing. Relax the mind, relax the body, and relax your breath, and get ready for the Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Back comfortably straight. Shoulders relax. Right hand in Vishnu Mudra. In Vishnu Mudra, we bend first both fingers down, and in left hand Chin Mudra, like this position, place them on your knees. First breathe very comfortable breathing. Inhale deeply, exhale completely. Once again, inhale, exhale. Now place the right thumb on the right nostril and breathe through left. 1, 2, 3. Now hold your breath and block the nostrils. Exhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath, block the nostrils. Exhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Exhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Exhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Exhaling right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Exhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left. 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Exhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right. 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Exhaling left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Last round. Exhaling right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Last retention. Exhaling left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gently drop your right hand on the right nostril. Keep your eyes closed. Enjoy your inner peace and calmness. Enjoy the balanced flow of the prana. Enjoy the internal energy. Back comfortably, stretched upwards. Face relaxed. Now keeping your eyes closed, stretch your legs forward and lie down on your back. Gently, legs and feet apart. Arms apart. Eyes comfortably closed. Comfortably relaxed breathing. Physically relaxed, mentally relaxed. Relax your mind. Relax the body. Om. Gently legs, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Lengthen the spine. Stretch your legs, feet, arms, stretch. Exhaling, release. Now gently turning to one side, whichever you feel comfortable. Come up. First, sitting position. Then come up to the standing position for the sun salutation, Surya Namaskar. Come up on the top of the mat. Feet slightly apart. Arms are relaxing along the body. Shoulders comfortably relaxed. Relaxed breathing. Now get ready for the first round. Inhale. Exhale. Palms together, prayer position. Stay there breathing comfortably. Inhale. Stretch your arms up. Look up. Arms are straight. Exhaling. Bend forward and down. Hands are on the mat. Toes and fingers are in a straight line. Chest to the thighs. Relaxed breathing. Now inhaling. Stretch your right leg back. Look up to the ceiling. Comfortable breathing. Now holding the breath. Stretch your left leg back. Body in a push-up position. Head, hips, and heels are in a straight line. Weight on the hands and on the toes. Relaxed breathing. Now exhaling, knees chest, forehead on the mat. Sashtang Pranam. Inhaling, come forward, head up, chest up, look up. The cobra pose, Bhujangasana. Legs, feet are together. Exhaling. Tuck the toes, heels down. The inverted V. Relaxed breathing. Now inhaling. First, left knee on the mat and right foot forward between your hands and look up. Arch back. Left thigh on the mat. Relaxed breathing. Exhaling comfortably. Left foot with the right. Both feet together. Toes and fingers are in a straight line. Inhaling, stretch your arms forward and up. Look up. Arms are stretched up. Exhaling, release the arms. This is the right stretch. Now we'll do from the left stretch. Same process, same stretch. Inhaling, exhaling, palms together, prayer position. Stay there, breathing comfortably. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Arms are straight. Try to touch the ceiling. Exhaling, bend forward and down. Palms on the mat. Look to the toes. Hips are stretching upward. Comfortable breathing. Now inhaling, stretch your left leg back. Left thigh on the mat. Look up, arch back. Palms on the mat. Now retaining the breath. Right leg back. Push-up position. Body in a straight line. Look forward. Relax breathing. Exhaling, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Relaxed breathing. Now inhaling, head up, chest up, look up, arch back. Focus on your lower back. Legs and feet together. Keep on arching back. Exhaling. Heels down. The inverted V. Look towards your toes. And feel the stretch into your calf. Relaxed breathing. Now inhaling. First, right knee down and left foot forward between the hands. Look up, arch back. Relaxed breathing. Exhaling. Right foot forward with the left. Padasana. Hands on the mat. Toes, fingers in a straight line. Hips stretched upward. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Stretch hands, arms up. Exhaling, release, arms down. Now get ready for the second round. First, the right stretch. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Relaxed and comfortable breathing. Stay there. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Look up. Arms are straight. Hands are stretching upward. Exhaling, bending from the lower back. Come down, hands, palms on the mat. Hips stretching upward. Relaxed breathing. Now inhaling, stretch the right leg back. Right thigh on the mat. Look up, arch back. Always breathing the relaxed breath. Retaining the breath, left leg back. Stretch your left leg back, push-up position. Look forward. Relaxed breathing. Exhaling knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Relaxed breathing. Inhaling, arch back, the cobra pose. Look up. Legs, feet together. Exhaling. Heels down, the inverted V. Look to the toes. Inhaling, left knee down and right foot forward between the hands. Look up, arch back. Relaxed breathing. Exhaling, left foot forward. Hands down, chest to the thighs. Comfortable breathing. Inhaling, stretch your arms forward, up. Stretch your arms up, hands up. Exhale comfortably, arms down. The left stretch. Relaxed and comfortable breathing. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up, look up, arms straight. Stretch your hands, fingers up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Stretch your hips upward. Palms, toes are in a straight line. Inhaling, stretch your left leg back. Look up, arch back. Keep on stretching your left leg back and arching back. Look up. Exhaling, stretch the right leg back, retaining the right leg back. Look forward, push-up position. Head, hips, heels are in a straight line. Exhaling, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhaling, come forward and arch back, look up. Cobra pose, legs, feet together. Exhaling, tuck the toes. Inverted V, heels are down, touching the mat. Inhaling, right knee down and left foot forward between your hands. Look up, arch back. Relaxed breathing. Exhaling, right foot with the left. Hands are on the mat. Relaxed breathing. Stretch your arms forward, up. Stretch your arms up. Exhale, release, arms down. Relax and comfortable breathing. Feel the energy of the sun salutation. Oh, now get ready for the third and final round. First, from the right, inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Relaxed breathing. Inhaling, stretch your arms up, look up, Exhaling, bend forward and down. Hips are stretching upward. Palms are on the mat. Look to the toes. Exhaling, stretch the right leg back. Look up, arch back. Relaxed breathing. Retaining the breath. Left leg back. Push-up position. Body in a straight line. Look forward. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhaling, come forward, head up, chest up, look up, arch back. Exhale, heels down, the inverted V. Look to the toes. Inhaling, left knee down and right foot forward between the hands. Look up, arch back. Exhaling, left foot forward, hands on the mat, chest to the thighs. Relaxed breathing. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Stretch up. Exhale comfortably, arms down. The left stretch. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Relax and comfortable breathing. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Try to touch the ceiling. Exhaling, bend forward and down. Hands, palms on the mat. Inhaling, stretch the left leg back, look up, arch back. Keep on breathing comfortably, looking up. Retaining the breath. Right leg back, push-up position. Weight on your hands and the toes. Back comfortably straight. Push-up position. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhaling, come forward. Head up, chest up, arch back. The cobra pose. Legs, feet are together. Comfortable, relaxed breathing. Exhaling, touch the toes. Inverted V. Inhaling, left foot forward between the hands, look up, arch back. Comfortable breathing. Exhaling, right foot forward with the left, hands, palms on the mat, hips upward, stretching upward. Inhaling, stretch the arms up, more up. Exhale comfortably, release your arms down. Feet apart. Slow down the breath. Feel the shoulders and the spine comfortably relaxed. Relax breathing, relax mind. Now stretch your arms forward, come up on the toes. Very slowly, comfortably, come down. And lie down on your back for the relaxation. In Shavasana, legs apart, arms apart, eyes comfortably closed. Slow down the breath. Very relaxed breathing. Relaxed mind. Relaxed breathing. Relax yourself physically. Relax mentally. Relax. Oh. Gently legs together, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Stretch to the spine, stretch to the arms, hands, stretch. Exhale, release. Get ready for the single and double leg raising. Legs, feet together. Arms beside the body or under your thighs. Wherever you feel comfortable. Placing your arms, hands there. Now inhaling. Comfortably stretch the right leg up. Straight up. Knees, legs, comfortably stretch upward. Toes tucked towards the face. Exhaling comfortably down. Inhale, stretch the left leg up, stretch up. Exhale, release. Comfortably, right leg up, straight up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg up, straight up. Exhaling, down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, down. Now inhaling, right leg up. Stay there. Hold your right side. Stretch the right leg towards your face. Now inhaling, walk your fingers up towards the ankle. Hold your ankle, right ankle, or hold the right toes. Wherever you feel comfortable, stay there, breathing comfortably. Exhaling, head down, chest down. Bend the right knee. Hold it tightly. Feel the massage to the right side of the abdomen. Breathing comfortably. Exhale, release your hands. Inhaling, stretch your right leg up. Exhaling comfortably down. Now same process with the left hand, left leg. Inhaling, stretch the left leg straight up. Left toe towards your face. Now inhaling, hold the left thigh. Interlock the fingers. Feel the stretch to the left leg. Right leg comfortably down on the mat. Now inhaling. Come up, head up, chest up, hands, fingers up to the ankle or hold the toes. Relaxed breathing. Both legs are comfortably straight. Exhaling, head down, chest down. Now bend the left knee. Hold it tightly. Chin touching to the chest. Exhaling, release. Inhaling, lift your left leg straight up. Exhaling comfortably down. Legs, feet together. Get ready for the double leg raising. Choose the arms position along the body or under your thighs or interlocking the fingers and placing them under the neck. Legs, feet comfortably together. Now inhaling, सांस लेते हुए stretch your legs up, straight up. Exhaling comfortably, slowly down. Inhale, stretch the right leg, both legs up. Look to the toes. Exhaling comfortably, slowly down. Inhaling, both legs up, straight up. Exhaling slowly down. Last time. Inhaling, stretch your both legs up. Exhaling comfortably down. Now legs apart, arms apart, eyes closed, palms facing upward. Relax in Shavasana. Relaxed breathing. Om. Stretch your arms up. Slide legs, feet together. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. Now bend your knees. Stretch your arms sideways. Now knees to the right, head to the left. Inhaling up, exhaling, knees to the left and face to the right. Inhaling up, exhaling, change the side, knees to the right and face to the left. Inhaling up, exhaling, knees to the left, face to the right. Inhaling up, knees to the right, face to the left. Inhaling up, exhaling, knees to the left and face to the right. In the center, look up. Legs apart, arms apart, eyes closed, arms to the body. Relax for a while. Now legs together, feet together. Stretch the arms up above the head. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, arms down. Now gently turning to one side. Come up and get ready for the Sarvangasana. For Sarvangasana, shoulder stand, mat very near the wall and lie down on your back, hips are very near the wall. Now walk your feet up to the wall and relax here, arms on the mat, comfortable, breathing, stay there. Comfortable and relaxed breathing. Feel the inversion. Now inhaling, press the wall with the feet and hips and chest up. Exhaling, come down, hips and thighs down. Once again, inhaling, come up. Walk your feet up and hold. Support your back with the hands. Relax breathing. More blood to the heart. More blood and oxygen to the brain. Feet, legs are comfortably relaxed. Now exhaling, hips, chest down and walk down with your feet. Feet are on the mat and flat. Come up. Drag your back upward and release the pose and change the position of the mat. Come to the previous place. Again, lie down on the back. For the bridge pose, bend your knees, feet are flat, arms beside the body. Inhaling, lift your hips, chest up. Support your back with the hands. Make a beautiful bridge. Setu Bandhasana. Comfortable, relaxed breathing. Press the mat with the feet. Relax. Exhaling, release. Come down. Now, if comfortable, holding, you can hold the ankles. Hold them. Right ankle with the right ankle. Right hand and left ankle with the left hand. If you are comfortable holding the ankles, just place the palms on the mat. Inhaling, hips, chest up. Hold it here. Breathe comfortably. And if you can hold the ankles, hold them. And lift the chest, hips up. On 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the pose. Now legs, feet together. For the fish pose, Matsya Asana. Relaxed and comfortable breathing. Now hide the arms, hands under the body. Legs, feet together. Inhaling, head, chest up. Look towards the toes. Weight on your elbows. Exhaling, drop your head back. Head down, look back. Legs, feet are comfortably together. Elbows are carrying the whole weight. Now to release the pose, head up, chest up, look towards the toes. Exhaling, release. Release the arms. Make fist. Rotate your fist clockwise, anti-clockwise. Exhaling, drop. Bend your neck, head to the right. Bend your head to the left. In the center, legs apart, arms apart, eyes closed. Relax breathing. Om, legs, feet together. Stretch the arms up above the head. Lengthen the spine. Stretch the whole body. Exhaling, release. Arms down. Turning to one side. Come up to the sitting position for Paschimottanasana, sitting forward bend. Now stretch your legs forward. Bend the right knee, right foot on the left thigh. Stretch your arms upward. Stretch from the right, stretch from the left, stretch. Now bending from the lower back, catch hold the left toe and breathe comfortably. Feel the stretch to the spine. Stretch, spine stretching forward. Inhaling up, stretch up. Now exhaling, arms down and change the leg. Stretch the right leg, bend the left knee, left thigh, left foot on the right thigh. Inhaling, stretch your arms upward. Very slowly, gently come forward. Bending your lower back, catch hold the right toe. Look forward. Face with a gentle smile. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Exhaling, arms down on your back. Stretch your both legs forward. Stretch, arms up. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhaling, come forward, maintaining the stretch. Come forward and hold the toes. Look forward. Relaxed breathing. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Exhaling, arms behind your back. Now for the counter pose, stretch your hips up. Drop your head back. Look back. Toes touching to the floor. Exhale, release. Come down. Now lie down on your back. Relax in Makarasana, making pillow of the hands. Toes together, heels apart. Look to the right side. Relaxed breathing. For the Bhujan pose, arms underneath the shoulders, forehead on the mat, legs, feet together. Inhaling, head up, chest up, look up, arch back, cobra pose, legs, feet together. Comfortable breathing. Focus on the lower back. Exhaling, release, relax in Makarasana. This time look to the left. Toes together, heels apart. Very relaxed breathing. Relax. Get ready for the bow pose. Bend your legs. Hold the ankles, right ankle with the right hand, left with the left hand. Spread your knees at the shoulder widths apart. Inhaling, head up, chest up, look up, arch, back, hips and thighs up. Relaxed breathing. Feel the spine. Looking up. Exhale, release. Release your ankles and place the hands underneath the shoulders, legs, feet together. Inhaling, head up, chest up. Come up on your toes. Come up on the knees and the hands. Now exhaling. Bend down, chest down, look towards your knees. Back is rounding. Inhaling, look up, arch your back. Look up to the ceiling. Once again, down towards the knees. Head down. Inhaling, come up, arch back. Look up. Exhale, release. Comfortable sitting position. For the half spinal twist, right hand on the left knee. Rotate the left arm on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Place the left hand behind your back. Look back over the left shoulder. Look back, breathing comfortably. Feel the twist into the spine. Relax, breathing. Inhaling, look forward, release the pose. Change the side. Left hand on the right knee. Rotate your right arm on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Place the right hand behind your back. Look back over the right knee, right shoulder. Relaxed breathing. Feel the spine. Twist into the spine. Keep on looking back. Exhale. Release the pose. Now come up. Standing position or the balancing pose. Interlock the fingers. Stretch your arms up. Inhaling, come up on the toes. Exhaling, release, hands on the head. Inhaling, come up on the toes. Stretch your arms up. Exhaling, down. Inhaling, come up on the toes. Exhaling, release. Now steady walk. Walk on the place. Do it fast. Fast, fast, fast. Release. Come up on the top of the mat. Inhale. Stretch your arms up. Stretch from the right. Stretch from the left. Stretch. Exhaling. Bend forward and down. Place your fingers under the toes or hold your ankles or comfortably placed on your knees. Wherever you feel comfortable, stay there and hold the pose. Feel the balance by stretching feet apart. You can place your hands on the toes. Do according to your comfort, according to your capacity. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Exhaling, hands behind your back, feet apart, and arch yourself back. Look up. Exhale, release. Now, feet apart for the triangle pose. Right foot to the right side. Left slightly inside. Now, interlock the fingers and stretch your arms up and bend to the right. Look down. Stay there. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Exhale, release. Now change the side. Left foot to the right side. Right slightly inside. Interlock the fingers. Stretch your hands, arms up. Stretch back and come forward. Keeping your fingers interlocked. Look down. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Exhaling, release. Join your feet. Come up on the top of the mat. Come up on the toes. Stretch your arms forward. Very slowly, gently. Come down. According to your pace, according to the comfort, come down. and lie down on your back, legs apart, arms apart, eyes comfortably closed. Relax in Shavasana. Slow down the breath. Feel you are very comfortable and relaxed breathing. Relaxed breathing, relaxed mind, relax your body. Gently legs, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Stretch from the toes to the fingers. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. Gently turning to one side. Come up to the comfortable cross-leg sitting position for the concluding prayer. Inhale deeply. Oh. Asato ma sadgamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. ओम बोलो सदगुरु स्वामी शिवानंद महाराज की जय, स्वामी विष्णुदेव नंद महाराज की जय। ओम नमः शिवाय।